Hello. Okay, engine build tutorial. I tried recording one of these already. I ended up at 20 minutes long. So what I am covering is the construction and why you should use the engine. For the timing, you want to go see Draconian's video on using a beacon sensor to time an engine. See, there's a link. Link. Hey, listen, etc. So yeah, you're gonna need that. Right. I'm only gonna cover one way to build a swinger engine and why you should build it. 'Cause it's good. So let's go on with it. Okay, so this is what we're working from the old slapper engine. Pistons are all offset, and it looks very impressive. Problem is, quite bulky, kind of crappy, and if you really ramp up the power with the offset design, they try and twist themselves around. What we're going to use is a swinger engine. Look at it, doesn't it look happy? What a swinger engine does, it doesn't have the slapper arms. It uses the thrusters directly and a remote axis. This design also pushes the thrusters together at the same time. See? The downside of this compared to a slapper engine is, a slapper engine you can get full rotation with 2 thrusters. With a swinger engine in this configuration you need 4 to get power all the way around. Let's have a look at crap fly. Let's have a look at why the push together configuration is better than the offset configuration. I've got a short offset and a big offset one. Let's have a look at the short offset. I'll just take it, I'll unfreeze it, I'll plonk it on the floor, and I'll ramp it up. As you can see, it does that. Here, I'll even grab it, let it spin up, and then let it go. It's quite shaky, and at low speed when you're trying to get a big thing moving, the whole engine tries to thrash the entire vehicle. Let's have a look at the larger version. There's a larger version of that. This one's got a problem. One of the blue thrusters tend to spaz out a bit. Oh wait, this one's incredibly heavy, isn't it? 250. Yeah, this whole thing weighs a couple of thousand. Oops. 500 base. Let's grab it or else it'll sag into the floor. 250 crank. If I let this go on the floor, it jiggles around. It tries to twist itself. Can't have that. It's alright once you're going, because then the engine sort of balances itself out kind of nice. But at low speed, when you only got 1 or 2 thrusters going, just trying to get a massive vehicle moving, there it causes problems. Go over to the final one here. This one will just sort of jiggle on the spot a bit. But no twisting, which is the key point here. Ramp it up a bit more. Ooh. You can see, much more stable. So, how do we build this? If you're going to build this exact design, you can change this up slightly once you've learned it. You won't need half these ropes, some of these go to the centre axis. So, I shall now build a large version of this. Then you can see everything happening.